TikTok convinced millions to strap vacuum cups to their thighs and zap themselves with red lights. I'm talking about Redu Sculpt. But does sucking your fat actually work? Or is this just expensive cupping therapy? Let's find out. Redu Sculpt is a handheld body sculpting device combining 3 technologies. First, vacuum therapy that suctions your skin to lift fatty tissue. Second, red light therapy to boost collagen and rejuvenate skin. Third, sculpting steel heads that massage and promote lymphatic drainage. It comes with interchangeable cups, adjustable suction levels, and they claim you'll see results in just 5 to 10-minute sessions. Price? Around $100 to $130 depending on the package. 3 adjustable vacuum suction levels, red light therapy at specific wavelengths, runs on AA batteries, which is weird in 2025, but okay. Works on stomach, thighs, arms, love handles, and glutes. Comes with vitamin C oil and smoothing gel. Different cup sizes for different body areas. One user said her stretch marks faded from red to brown after 2 weeks, and her mummy pooch tightened. But here's the key. She also walked weekly, did AB exercises twice a week, and cut out fried foods. The device wasn't working alone. Another noticed her backside looked rounder and sat higher after 6 weeks of consistent use. TikTok users mentioned it helped with knee inflammation and cellulite improvement. The pattern? Results come from consistent use, plus exercise and diet changes. Nobody's saying this melts fat overnight. Reality check time. Multiple users followed instructions perfectly for a month and saw 0 body composition changes. One said battery life is disappointing and it wasn't worth the investment. Customer service complaints are common. Slow responses, shipping delays, devices malfunctioning after a month. One user's vacuum function stopped working and red light therapy broke completely. Price criticism is real. People say it's expensive for what you get, and the sculpting enhancers are basically just overpriced oils. Many users say it makes skin feel smoother. But actual fat reduction? Mixed results at best. It's more of a massage tool than a body transformation device. Vacuum therapy and lymphatic drainage massage are legitimate techniques used professionally. Red light therapy research does support collagen production and skin texture improvement, but professional treatments use way more powerful equipment than a battery-operated handheld device. The company claims 150,000 plus customers and cites a study with 34 women. That's not exactly a massive clinical trial. This isn't cool sculpting or medical-grade equipment. It's a home massage device with added features. Buy it if you want a massage tool that makes skin feel smoother, helps with post-workout recovery, and you're committed to combining it with exercise and healthy eating. It's a supplement to your routine, not a replacement. Skip it if you expect dramatic body transformation, won't use it consistently, are on a tight budget, or need reliable customer service. Bottom line, Redu Sculpt is not magic. It's a decent at-home massage tool with some skin smoothing benefits if you use it consistently and pair it with lifestyle changes. The vacuum suction works, red light therapy feels nice, but actual body sculpting? That's mostly on you, your diet, exercise, and genetics. For $100 to $130, you're paying for convenience. Just don't expect it to replace the gym or professional treatments. Drop your honest experience in the comments. Hit like if this saved you from unrealistic expectations. Catch you next time!